Families living at an emergency shelter will soon have access to a new mental health support. I'm Maya Sargent in Southwest Tallahassee, where the Hope community has been awarded money for resources that are on the way. The family promise of the Big Bend's Hope Emergency Shelter is helping families in crisis by adding a transition coordinator to the team. The Children's Services Council of Leon County awarded the funding to create the new position.
Teaching them to regain the power of their voices and teaching them to honor their humanity and that they do matter.
Keisha Troop with Hope tells me families will be able to meet with this trauma-informed specialist to work through some of the emotional impacts of experiencing homelessness.
It's always important to have that advocate to make sure that they advocate for you when you can't, when you don't have the language, when you don't have the words to say, someone is there to walk them through that.
The specialist will also work with families a year after they've left the shelter to help ensure stability. CSC Leon says the goal with this funding is to ensure families connect with community resources so when they find permanent housing, they can stay in it. Stability that supports child growth, development, and education achievement.
If you can keep things stable in those first years, even if there is turmoil in later years, that foundation is set and that child's resiliency and ability to rebound is much higher.
Hope tells me the new team member is set to begin in August.
We want to make sure that we really wrap our arms around these families before the next school year starts.
CSC Leon tells me contracts are being drawn up between them and Family Promise of the Big Bend to create this new position. They say funding was approved last week following one of their council meetings. In Southwest Tallahassee, Maya Sargent, ABC 27.